Good morning, everyone. My name is Jewel Aguilar, but you may call me Sir Jewel only. So I'm gonna be your class facilitator throughout the semester. I graduated here at FEU Manila under the program of Bachelor in Secondary Education major in English, and I was graduated last 2027. So some of my hobbies are playing online games, which I think most of you are doing. And during my spare time, I also read books because for me, I believe that reading books helps you to widen your vocabulary. So I hope that throughout this semester, we will be able to have fun, and I hope that you will learn from me.